Alright, here's the evolution of the new home, the 606. This is the entry. These are now, we're at the final stages because Grih Pravesh is soon. So you walk in. These are the light fixtures. Abhi isme bulbs nahi hai, but these are the light fixtures. This is the entrance to the living room. This is where the TV goes. The TV is called The Frame. And as you walk out, here's the balcony. Here's the balcony and it says Banas. And this here is Tibu's balcony. We'll take you there shortly. That there is DPS Arkepuram, 2 flags and just plants, trees everywhere. Okay, now you come back through the archway. You're coming into the dining area. So dining area में इस समय setup चल रहा है for the bar cabinet. And नीचे, this is the coolest thing. I mean, to me, it's one of the smartest things to do. These areas have been created to throw our suitcases and layover bags, etc. in, so that they're not in, obstructing and sitting outside. So there's one setup here and the same setup there. Achha, now we come to the kitchen. The kitchen looks awesome. I don't know how they made so much space in it. Kitchen mein already some Bhagwanjis have been established. Welcome home. Welcome home. Okay. And everything looks really nice and bright and vibrant because everything is white. This is the oven. Oven ke upar bhi there is space for pantry. Jisme obviously there's a helmet. There's some space here. Then as you turn into the kitchen. Acha, so this is the staff entrance, support staff entrance. Okay. So now this is where the hob goes. No, I think this is where the hob goes and the chimney. And the sink has also been installed. It's a dual sink, which is very smart. And there's a window, which is great for ventilation in the kitchen also. Now look at this. Ye hai TV. It's like a cold storage unit. Matlab, my God, look at this. Look at the amount of space. TV nahi, what did I call it? TV? Sorry, I meant fridge. Obviously, I meant fridge. Okay, so this is this. The freezer space is here. My mother would love this TV. Oh God, why do I keep calling it TV? You know I mean fridge. Okay. Acha. Now, as we come back out, come back in. So this is still the the dining area. This here is another utility area जो कि निकाला गया है. यहाँ पे dishwasher रहेगा and a drainage etc. has been set up here. So there is no dearth of balconies here. Now we come back. I will take you to Tibu's room. अभी अच्छा sorry भैया. This is Tibu's room. Tibu's room has a number lock and a fingerprint lock installed. Oh well, because Tibu is Tibu. Then these are Tibu's almaris. Yes. And Tibu has his own little balcony here also, which I showed you, which overlooks the drawing room valley balcony. Then you come back in and Tibu's bathroom is almost all set. This is Tibu's bathroom. He has a space age toilet and I don't know, it's like, I still haven't figured out, but this is a space age shower system with a rain shower also. And yeah, I don't know. It's basically, when the contractor was working on it, he told them, I've never worked on something like this before. I'm not surprised. So this is Tibu's really exquisite bathroom, which we've all decided कि हम सब लोग तो यही use करेंगे. Similarly, I'll show you Lovely's room because we've all decided Lovely's room is going to be the lounge. So first, this is Lovely's bathroom. So Lovely has a smaller bathroom, so we are going to consider this the powder room only. So she's made a ledge here to aram se sit on also. This is the shower, wash basin, WC, and if you just jump across, that is PB's bathroom. Now you come here to Lovely's room, and I believe this is going to move. Abhi stuff is still in transit. Okay, so this is Lovely's almaris. Light fixtures are in place. Fan is already in place. यहाँ पे bed आएगा. यहाँ पे भी light fixtures लगेंगे sides पे. This closet space is primarily only for suits and jackets etc. stuff that just needs to hang. तो अभी we've just moved हमारा शादी का लहंगा and Tibu's sherwani from the wedding. Yay! And this is the balcony. So this is the largest balcony, and there's going to be a whole bunch of plants from the roof down to the floor and creepers and everything. Okay, so this is the balcony, and something that I didn't know existed. Look at this. You can keep the door open and you can close the mesh door like this. How cool is that? So to keep the mosquitoes out, obviously. Acha. And none of these balconies are overlooking anybody's house, which I absolutely admire and love. Then we come to PB's room. So did I mention that we are going to be using Lovely's room as the lounge? She's really scared that we're all going to take over her room, which we will, obviously. It's the nicest room. Hey, say hi. Alright, now this is PB's room. Sabse studious, ghar studious bacha. And these are going to be his books, because God knows PB has 1,000 books. And I recommended कि इसको glass से cover कर देते हैं जिससे dust accumulation ना हो. This is his study table. Look at what he's done for the wires and cables. Look at that. And this is that IKEA setup where you can just hang stuff. So it acts like a notice board as well. So this is his study table. This is where PB's TV goes. These are PB's almaris. This is where his bed goes. And I believe this system is going to be moved. Look at the knobs here. How cute are they? I think he got them on Amazon. I'm not sure. But it's so cute. Then this is, PB has the largest bathroom. And this is also going to be used as the area for the washer and dryer. So you walk in. This is the shower area. This is the wash basin and the WC. And then he can jump out to Lovely's bathroom. This, they're going to add shelves here for PB's storage unit. For bathroom key storage, utilities, etc. And this is the area where they're going to keep the washer and the dryer. And then there's this window which I really like because it allows for ventilation in the bathroom. You know? And again, nothing is overlooking anything else, which is really nice. Now, kya bacha? Then PB also has, so there's a little step here and he has a tiny little balcony. I told him, I said you could do his yoga. I mean, I could do his yoga and he could do his yoga around this area also. So then there's this. Then, have I covered everything? I'm not sure. If not, I'll just give you another cursory glance. So this was PB's room. Yeah, I've covered everything. This was Lovely's. This was the powder room. This was the lounge / Lovely's room. है ना? And this was the dining area. This is Tibu's room. This is where Tibu's TV would go. And this is Tibu's balcony. Yeah, I've covered everything. भैया ये पानी चल रहा है यहाँ पे. इसको बंद कर दीजिएगा please. And yeah, that's that. This is the living area. So this is, we're almost done. Yay! Yay! And this is Sid Sahab. Alright, so see you next time when we do the Grih Pravesh. Okay, bye. And she is the designer. This is Maniraj Bhaiya. Together they're starting a company of their own whereby they're going to be doing interior design and contractual work. Because she designed all of this. Every single thing has been designed. Lovely, say hi and take a bow. Alright, chalo, more from the Great Pravesh.
Did you tell them about Cottage Rooms by Reena?
Yes, please, why don't you tell me about it?
Okay, so we're doing, our company is going to be called Cottage Rooms by Reena, and anybody who will be fond of some exclusive, classy homes can contact us because we're a whole team here.
Lovely. I'll post a link to your
The Insta page and the
yes, perfect. I'll do that. All right. Cottage Rooms by Reena. There you go. Chalo. Bye.